What is up guys, Cortez, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Classics Pomade Company Tiki Head Bahama Zombie Pomade. If you guys are familiar with my channel, I reviewed their Mai Tai scent that they released back in 2017, which I'll have a link for in the description below. One thing you guys should know about the Classics Pomade Company is that they're based out of Chicago, and one of their biggest things is that not only they're a home brewer, but they also release limited edition pomades on their website and I believe on Etsy as well. I got this one from Etsy. I think they still have a batch left, so I would check it out. Once again, I'll have a link for that in the description below. Try to get your hands on it as soon as possible because these pomades just fly off the shelves like nobody's business. So what makes this different from their Mai Tai pomade is that instead of a Mai Tai cocktail that they're basing the fragrance off of, they're basing it off of the zombie cocktail that is also another popular tiki inspired drink. So this is a label right here. What's different from their previous label is really just the figure on the cover. The last time I reviewed it, it was a tiki head with a straw coming out because obviously it was a tiki mug. Right here is a shrunken head, which is another big motif in tiki culture. Right here, here's your pomade. It comes in a white color, obviously from the petroleum beeswax mixture alongside the oils. Since this is an oil-based pomade, I mean, that's pretty much the standard color. I mean, that's really about it. So going on to the fragrance, it is amazing, I have to say. They did very well for this season, and it definitely fits the summer perfectly. You get that authentic tiki smell, which I think is very important, especially if you're going to be selling a tiki-inspired scented pomade. They definitely nail it. You get a lot of authenticity from that first note. You get a pineapple banana mixture, which is obviously expected in a tiki drink, especially in a zombie, which actually does have pineapple juice in it. So the first note, they nailed it perfectly. Throughout, you certainly get that sweet, subtle scent from it. And the closing note I would describe as a little bit of the rum because you get just a hint of the spice that's expected from rum. So they captured it perfectly, and I have to say, knocked it out of the ballpark. It's perfect. I think they nailed the whole tiki cocktail scent down. In terms of application and working with it, it wasn't that bad. Super easy and manageable. Since this is an oil-based pomade, I would describe it as a medium to low grip, just because you get more of the petroleum feeling out of it, which means you're going to get a lot of sheen from it, but you're not going to get as much grip. Since it does have beeswax, you still do get grip. However, it's just not enough to make it sustainable for a pompadour. Since it is a summertime, you really don't need to be worried about pompadours because it is hot as hell. So it's just better to go with the simple side part or just parting your hair in general. Works for that too. You still get the comb lines from it, and luckily you don't get tug and pull from this, so it's easy and it's manageable. The sheen is pretty high. I wouldn't say high as in you're using plain oil, but it's also not diluted too much because of the lack of beeswax, which makes it positive. In terms of management though, I would recommend having a comb on hand because since it is warm, your hair does get melted a little bit more by the sun, which is to be expected. I mean, it happens a bit with water-based pomades as well, so obviously the sun's just unavoidable. Here's how my hair looked overall. Like I said, with washing out though, since this is an oil-based pomade, you're going to want to be using a conditioner. Conditioners get out oil-based pomades pretty fast. Throw that in with some warm water and it should come out in no more than, I would say, 2 days tops. Good pomade to work with. Check it out guys, perfect for this season. Take a look at it before they sell out. Hopefully they haven't sold out by the time I've posted this video. Thanks for watching guys. Like, share, and subscribe for more.
Watch Cortez on YouTube.com.